Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I hope you have watched my first video. If you haven't watched it, please watch. Baya, how are you guys? I hope you are fine there. In this situation, we should be spirit for doing good activities. Even though we have to do these activities at home, but not at all, doesn't reduce our sense of spirit for doing activities, right? Such as conversing at home, work at home, and study at home. In this video, I would like to discuss the material about idiom. Idiom? What is idiom? Idiom is an expression in the form of combination word that form a new meaning. And there is no relationship with the basic forming words. It came out of grammatical constructions. In English, idioms often appear in TOEFL test questions, especially in the listening sections. In this TOEFL test, we usually difficulty in understanding what is said by speaker, right? So, the effective ways to overcome this problem is to know and memorize the idioms. Generally, in English, idioms are used to express the ideas. More precisely, the idioms are used to proverbs. Here, I have some idioms, so let's get to the list. I can't take my eyes off you. The meaning is, aku tak bisa berpaling darimu. Next, I'm sick of you. The meaning is, aku muak dengan kamu. Next, wish me luck. The meaning is, doakan aku berhasil. All is well. The meaning is, semua akan baik-baik saja. Take it easy. The meaning is, tenang aja. Shame on you. The meaning is, memalukan. There you go. The meaning is, gitu dong. You are still blue. The meaning is, kamu masih ingusan. Next, use your head. The meaning is, pakai otakmu. How come? The meaning is, kok bisa? How odd? The meaning is, tumben banget. Next, act your age. The meaning is, bersikaplah dewasa. Age before beauty. The meaning is, yang tua duluan. I'm leaving. The meaning is, aku duluan. I didn't mean to. The meaning is, aku nggak sengaja. Next, it's on me. The meaning is, aku yang bayar. Next, not at all. The meaning is, nggak apa-apa. And the last is, just so-so. The meaning is, biasa aja. Okay guys, those are some idioms from me. I hope you are enjoying this video and it's useful for you. If you love this video, please click like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye, good luck, and so long. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.